people are starting to realize that they don't like to have a VUL policy. Yung mga VUL policy na hawak nila, they regret it or they don't like having it. Ayaw nilang bumili ng VUL pa ulit. And they have a lot of valid reasons. And probably one of the major reasons are that they got tired of VUL already. They got VUL more on investment rather than insurance. And because of that, they got tired of waiting for the returns. Kasi for most VULs talaga, in the first 10 years, wala ka masyadong mararamdaman na returns. Baka nga negative pa siya after 10 years. Dus dun pa lang siya mag-start na kumita. Diba? Although it's a more aggressive scenario, no? May chances na lumaki yung returns. Pero over the long term din talaga. So probably people are really getting tired of it. They realize that they don't like VUL anymore. And you know, probably that's the reason why I feel that this is the end of the VUL. No? It's getting near. Hindi man siya completely mawawala, but people will start to realize that it's not the insurance product that they like or that is for them. A lot of people are already following the BTID concept or the buy term invested difference na pinauso ng maraming investment gurus, and it's not wrong. It's not entirely wrong. Hindi rin naman siya para sa lahat. Diba? Paano yun? Bibili ka ng term insurance na lang and then you invest your money on your own. Now, while it's also good, ang challenge lang doon is that walang enough discipline to invest money on a regular basis. Minsan yung iba, o karamihan na kilala ko, naglagay lang ng 5,000, nag-open lang ng stock market, tapos natenga na doon. No, naglagay lang minsan ng konti sa Pag-ibig MP2, tapos natenga na doon. So, ang problema yung discipline, yung regularity. And probably that's what VUL solves, no? Regularly naglalagay ka doon. But again, for people na nakakaintindi, for people who do their research or handle their own money, maybe VUL is not really for them. Alright? And then, you know, people starts to realize that they are looking for protection. If they want insurance, they are looking for protection or something guaranteed. Yung hindi maibibigay basta ng ibang investment options. Alright, yung something different talaga, hindi yung kamukha lang ng stock market, which is yung VUL, parang mutual funds, parang stock market, and then hindi naman nagde-deliver ng returns na short term. Alright, so instead na ma-highlight na yung VUL para talaga siya sa insurance, para talaga siya sa mga different riders and benefits, coverages, nakatingin yung tao dun sa investment part. So, you know, it's marketed the wrong way. A lot of advisors, a lot of financial advisors in the Philippines, maybe even all over the world, are using it, are selling it the wrong way, are educating people the wrong way. Probably they are misinformed. Probably the training program that they attend, hindi enough, hindi pa ganun ka-in-depth yung knowledge nila. Probably they're just parroting what they've heard. And sometimes, mas maalam pa yung mga clients nila kaysa sa kanila. So again, that's wrong. So, and na-realize ko rin lang talaga na, you know, there are a better way of doing this, of approaching life insurance. Sa totoo lang, meron namang 4 lang na major financial goals. No, when you talk about financial planning, we even call this the 4 pillars of financial planning. No, so kung makita nyo na mayroon tayong konting illustration dito, meron lang tayong 4 na major goals in financial planning. That is life insurance. Kung breadwinner ka, kailangan mo ng life insurance para protected yung family mo, may replacement income in case of death of the breadwinner. Health insurance, kahit single ka, wala kang dependent mo yung sarili mo. Ngayon, especially kung may mga anak ka, may mga dependents ka, kailangan mo talaga ng health insurance. Kahit sino, lahat ng tao, kaya bata, kailangan ng health insurance because mahal magkasakit. And kung mayroon kang savings, mga na-invest na negosyo, naipundar na properties and all, pwedeng mawala lahat yun, kailangan mong ibenta lahat yun, i-liquidate mo lahat yun para magpagaling. So there should be a separate health fund, lahat yan. Lahat tayo kailangan natin ng health fund, so it's very important. Also next is education. Alright? Education is a guaranteed expense, so kailangan pag-ipunan talaga siya, if not now, in the future. And of course, retirement. Retirement is the most expensive, the highest expense, the biggest expense of them all. Imagine if you retire at age 60 at nabuhay ka hanggang age 90, 30 years kang walang income, saan ka kukuha ng pera? So may retirement money ka baka kulang, most likely kulang. So kung aasa ka sa mga anak mo, pabigat masyado, di ba? Sa ibang tao, mahirap yun. So unless you have a really very big business that can fund you, most of the time, 99% of us would need a retirement fund setup. So yun yung 4 major goals: life insurance, health insurance, education, and retirement. Super important yan. Kailangan natin yan. Alright? We have to be preparing for it. Right? Kung tutuusin mo, may dalawang category lang yan. Yung mga nasa baba, these are protection products. You're buying life insurance and health insurance to protect something. To protect your income, to protect your assets, yung mga savings mo, mga naipundar mo. And yung education and retirement goals, long-term savings yan, for accumulation. Mag-accumulate ka for something. May pag-iipunan ka. Alright? And the reason why I can say that this is really the start of the end, paparating na siya talaga, the end of VUL, is because of these products. You know, AIA Philippines, our top 2 best-selling products are traditional plans. They are not term insurance and they are not VUL. They are traditional plans. Alright? Yung life and health insurance, so kung protection yung hanap mo, kaya siyang i-address ng AIA Critical Protect. Right? Life insurance na merong critical illness coverage. Up to age 100 na yung coverage. It can outlive you. Alright? And then yung education and retirement funding, it can be addressed by A+ signature, yung endowment plan namin na nagbibigay ng guaranteed income, guaranteed payout every 2 years for the rest of your life. So just to show you briefly, no, meron akong video nito in depth sa channel ko sa YouTube, no. So you can see yung AIA Critical Protect. This is our best-selling product for so long. Alright? Ito, panoorin nyo yung in-depth video niyan. And then meron din tayong A+ signature, our best-selling product, because it addresses yung need ngayon. Pag-iipon for the long term, it's giving you discipline, pero habang buhay ka, napakinabangan na rin. Hindi puro death benefit lang yung pinag-uusapan na pag namatay lang yung owner, tsaka alam mo benefit, tas hindi pa siya yung makikinabang. Ito, makikinabang ka, and then may pamana ka. Alright, so let me share with you briefly lang, no, about this product. So si AIA Critical Protect or the ACP 100, pwede siya sa age 0 sa bata, minor, hanggang age 65. Depende sa age mo yung presyo niya. Because you know, sabi nga dito, no, medical costs will always be expensive. Having an insurance policy is the only way to make it cheaper. Alright, so please get insured now. Si ACP 100 sa mga bata, meron din tong mga minor critical illnesses, no, that covers juvenile policies, no, katulad ng mga dengue, asthma, Kawasaki disease, meningitis, lupus, and of course, all types of cancer. Sobrang mura po nito. Alright? So, pakita ko lang sa inyo briefly. Meron akong client na nagpagawa ng quotation, 22 years old, female. Alright? So, 1 million life insurance or critical illness up to age 100 coverage, whichever comes first. Alright? May 1 million siya. And then may minor critical illness benefit na 250,000. Itong rider na to, it advances 25% of the face amount kung 1 million yan or higher, kasi pwedeng higher. Alright? Mag-a-advance siya ng 25%, ibabawa siya dun sa 1 million. So 250K. And then additional na 500,000. So hindi ito ibabawa sa 1 million naman, yung gender-specific cancer benefit. So for male, usually prostate cancer, may list tayo dyan 3. Sa female may 6, but usually breast cancers, ovarian cancer, cervical cancer. Alright, so additional 500,000 kapag female or male specific cancer yung na-detect or na-diagnose. So instead of 1 million, magiging 1.5 million yung payout. All in all, including the AIA Vitality membership fee, it's only 21,952.50. Alright, yun yung annual premium. Sobrang mura niya. 20 years to pay. So kung 22,000 i-round off na natin, in 20 years, that's only 440,000. Yung babayaran mo, 1 million to 1.5 million yung coverage mo. Alright? Guaranteed dyan. Hindi yan VUL na nagka-fluctuate pa. Wala na ring pag-asang mag-lapse. Sure yan. No? Unlike VUL na 10 years to pay, pero hindi talaga siya 10 years to pay. Pwedeng maghulog ka pa rin in the future pag bumaba yung account value. Ito po, wala na po siyang effect. Wala nang effect yung economy kung tumaas o bumaba yung market. Alright? So kung 10 years to pay lang, kung gusto mo shorter, with the same coverage, 1 million life insurance or critical illness, 250,000 minor critical illness benefit, tsaka 500,000 na gender-specific cancer benefit. Alright, with the same, yung diniscuss ko earlier, Ito 40,122.50 lang. So instead of 22,000 times 2, 44,000, ito 40,000 lang, mas nakamura. In 10 years, that's only 401,000 for a 1 million coverage. 10 years hulugan, 40K annual. So sobrang mura niya. Alright? So pwede siya sa anak mong minor if you are a parent and meron kang 1-year-old, 0 age, ganyan. Ako, I have 2 sons. Nung nag 1-year-old sila, kinuha na ko na sila both. It's just about 12 to 15,000 per person. Alright, tapos habang tumatanda, mas mamahal ng konti. Alright, so of course, ideally healthy kapag kumuha ka nito. Right? And then yung isang product, yung A+ signature, pwede siyang gamitin for education ng kids or pang retirement mo. Alright? So kung yung kids mo yung kukuhanan mo, example dito, pakita ko tong poster na to, for age 0, kung age 0 yung anak, 6 years after, at the end of year 6, mag-start yung unang payout. So grade 1 na yun, grade 1 na yung magiging anak mo nun. No, kung age 0, magiging age 6 siya makakakuha. Kung 3 years old yung anak mo, 9 years old. No, so after 6 years, makukuha yung unang payout. And then every 2 years, for the rest of the life ng bata. So every 2 years makakatanggap siya. In this example, let's say 25,000 every 2 years. Ito yung pinakamura. No, for this price na 25,000 payout every 2 years, ang premium niyan mga around 33,000 annually for 20 years to pay. Meron din yan 10 years or 5 years option, syempre mas mahal lang. Alright, pwede rin itong retirement. Kunyari 45 years old ka, gusto mo may early retirement money ka, no? 45 years old ka, after 6 years, age 51, may makukuha ka ng pera, let's say 100,000. So every 2 years, tatanggap ka ng 100,000. Ikaw bahala kung saan mo siya gagamitin. Pang travel, you just buy something, a new laptop, a new cellphone, a new bag, ganyan, magpakain ka, di ba? Every 2 years, you have that money. Alright? So, nagsisave ka, pero gumagastos ka rin. And that's what we want. We save to really spend. Normal lang yun. Alright? Pero hindi mo lahat nauubos. So, may natitira in the future. Magbabayad ka lang 10 years or 20 years, forever ka na may payout hanggang buhay ka. Alright? And then, upon death, meron kang life insurance that pays and that you get, no, you give to your heirs. So, magkano to? Meron akong client, ito si Andre, just to show you a sample, 24 years old. So sa 24 years old, meron siyang 500,000 na life insurance kasi times 2 ng face amount. The face amount is 25 o 250,000. Diyan tayo nagbe-base ng payout. 10% ng face amount yung payout. So kung 250,000 yung face amount times 10%, 25,000 yung payout every 2 years. So yun doon nakuha yung 25K. May dinagdag ko na another benefit, total and permanent disability, 250K din, and personal accident in case of accidental death, additional 250K. So 500 plus 250K, 750K yung makukuha ng beneficiaries mo. All in all, it's only 32,810 per year for 20 years. Right? After paying, tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung payout hanggang buhay yung insured. Right? Pwedeng ikaw yung insured, pwedeng anak mo yung insured. Pwedeng apo mo yung insured if you have an apo already. Na para napakahaba ng pamano mo. Habang buhay, kunyari ikaw yung owner, iba yung insured. Habang buhay ka, ikaw yung kumutanggap ng pera. And then, upon death of the owner, matatransfer siya doon sa kung sino man yung in-insure. So, kung anak mo yun or apo mo yun, matatransfer sa kanya. Tuloy pa rin yung payout. Yun yung maganda. Alright? Si Nestor naman, example, si Nestor with the same payout, 25,000 every 2 years. I think ito, age almost 50 na siya. Alright? So, 10 years to pay na lang yung available. So, 10 years to pay, for a 25,000 payout, may 500,000 din siya na life insurance, 250K na total and permanent disability, and 250K na personal accident insurance. All in all, for 10 years to pay, is only 63,940. Hindi siya nalalayo. 32K yung kanina, doble mo. Tapos siya Norton, 64,000. So kahit mas matanda na, hindi ganun kalaki yung difference ng premium. Kasi maliit lang yung insurance. It's really more about the payout, the long-term payout. Ako, I would rather get it para sa mas bata, para mas mahaba yung payout. Pero kanya-kanya yan, depende. Kasi I have clients who got this. Insurance yung purpose niya, gusto niya magpamana ng insurance. Pero habang buhay siya, gusto niya may nakukuha siya every 2 years. So that's another way to do this. And you know, yun, 63,940, no? Yun yung annual premium niya. Sa sobrang ganda nito, dalawang product na to, it already addresses yung 4 pillars na life insurance and health insurance, kung AIA Critical Protect. Alright, although whichever comes first siya, pag naka-claim ng critical illness, wala ng life insurance. Pero kung hanap mo ng life insurance, edi kunin mo na to, mayroon pa siyang bonus na critical illness coverage, just in case. And then si AIA A+ signature, it addresses naman yung education and retirement need. Pwedeng yung bata, kung yung anak mo kinuhanan mo, habang nag-aaral siya, yung benefits mo para sa kanya muna. And then pag gumraduate siya, retiree ka na, para sa'yo naman yung benefit. Hanggat ikaw yung owner, hanggat buhay ka, ikaw yung tumatanggap ng pera. So you can use that for whatever purpose that you need. So ito lang yung product na nakita ko na parang 2-in-1 siya. In just one product, you can address the education, savings for education, and then savings for your retirement. Of course, it will not address everything. Alright? Kung gusto mong malaki, malaki din yung premium. But it will augment, it will help some of your needs in the future kesa wala kang ipon or savings. So if you like this product, one of these products, let me know. Ano ba yung mas nagustuhan nyo? A+ Signature or AIA Critical Protect, the ACP 100? Let me know, tell me, let me know in the comment section para at least alam ko saan ka mas nakaka-relate dito. Do you agree for me? Do you agree with me that this is the end of the UL? Kasi I feel it's getting near. Alright? No? So, mukhang die down na yung interest ng mga tao sa VUL. Well, other companies are selling to the young ones, dun sa mga wala pang policy, sa wala pa masyadong alam, hindi pa masyadong nakapag-research, alright? Wala pa siya masyadong pain, ganyan. So, nabibenta nila ng VUL. But for people like you who do your research, who understands and probably holds your money on your own, manage your money, you would appreciate these types of products just like I do. No? Because ako, I have different investments, I have properties, I have stocks, I have all these things. Then, I also have life insurance. And so, we can relate. No? Pareho natin ginagawa yan. Pareho tayong meron yan. Alright, so if you have questions, send me a message. Alright, you can message me in my Facebook page. Just go to DJ Dimaliwat or go to facebook.com/DJ Dimaliwat Official. If you need a quotation, I just need some of your details. Your full name, your birth date, your mobile number, your occupation, your email address probably. Alright, and send me a message in my Facebook page. I will send you a screenshot of the quotation there. And dun tayo mag-usap. And then, I will help you. So that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching and see you again soon.